Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've forgotten your iPhone passcode and can't get into your phone, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll walk you through a few different ways to reset your iPhone when you don't remember the passcode. Before we jump in, one important reminder, resetting your iPhone will erase all of your data. Method 1, Recovery Mode plus iTunes Finder. The first method is Apple's official way, using recovery mode and a computer. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. When you see the option, choose Restore. This will erase your iPhone, remove the passcode, and install the latest iOS version. Method 2, use MagFone iPhone Unlocker. If the recovery mode method feels too complicated, or if iTunes doesn't recognize your iPhone, you can use a tool like MagFone iPhone Unlocker. Download and install MagFone iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Connect your iPhone and select Unlock iOS screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery mode. The software will then download the right firmware package for your iPhone. Click Start Unlock, and MagFone will reset your iPhone, bypassing the forgotten passcode. It's straightforward and works with all iPhone models and iOS versions. Just like with the official method, all data will be erased, but you can restore from a backup afterward. After reset, once the reset process is complete, whether you used recovery mode or MagFone, your iPhone will restart and display the setup screen. From here, you can set it up as a new iPhone, or restore everything from your iCloud or iTunes backup, and just like that, you have access to your iPhone again without needing the old passcode. In conclusion, so that's it, 2 effective ways to reset your iPhone if you forgot your passcode. If you're comfortable with Apple's official recovery mode, that's the free option. But if you prefer something easier and faster, MagFone iPhone Unlocker is a great choice.